Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and signal clarity. Power everything off and confirm meter levels are at unity. Connect the equalizer's line outputs to the amplifier's line inputs using balanced TRS or XLR where possible. Use RCA only if unbalanced is required. Once connected, make sure cable runs avoid power lines to reduce hum. You're establishing a clean signal path first. This prevents ground loops and clipping later, so double-check connector seating before powering any device. With devices powered, set EQ output and amplifier gain to unity to avoid exaggerated boosts. This lets you hear tonal changes without adding distortion. Route the amplifier input to the right speaker zone and engage any subwoofer or crossover outputs on the EQ if needed. Play a pink noise test tone and monitor with an SBL meter or headphones. Then make narrow, modest EQ cuts to fix resonances and broad boosts for tonal balance. Once done, listen to program material and recheck levels to ensure headroom. You finish by slowly raising the master volume while watching for clipping indicators and speaker protection activation. Keep headroom of a few dB. Save the EQ preset and mark cable paths for consistency. If you hear hum, dropouts, or distortion, mute outputs immediately and troubleshoot. Isolate the suspect cable, swap balanced versus unbalanced connections, and reintroduce sources one at a time. This methodical isolation usually reveals grounding or routing errors. Fix those, then repeat the level check to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.